And then now that life has obviously progressed, angisahlali la eKasi, but I'm bred and born around like Lokishini. Sure. Raised by a family that didn't have much, and when I say much, I mean like we had nothing growing up on being a geologist, and I've done so many deliverables for the business that I work for. Why don't I do it for myself? And then that's when I decided that I'm gonna do it for myself.